Hello, welcome back to the DomainRacer, and in this video we are going to show you how to secure your CyberPanel. Here we are using a server DomainRacer VPS L2, and in the security section you need to pay attention. Okay, here the one thing has to be noted: this setting, CacheFS, Immunify 360 and Immunify AV, all three need to be a paid one. Okay, so in this case these are not a free version. Here you have to configure CSF. If you configure a CSF, you will get an extra layer of security to your server. But CyberPanel has its own firewall, and you can able to also install CSF. We just have to click on CSF, and here the best part is CSF installation can be done only on one single click, but in cPanel we need to install manually. So that is the biggest advantage of CyberPanel. Okay, congratulations, your CSF installation has been completed. And if you check here, the CyberPanel is so intelligent that he has already whitelisted all the important port numbers. We do not need to ensure that whether it has been open all the ports or not. So it is already open. TCP and UDP in and out all are completed successfully. Okay, here it is already in the active status, because here the testing mode is showing off and firewall is in the on status. So here the best thing, you do not need to do a configuration, because CyberPanel itself has completed the basic level and the standard configuration of CSF. In the next video we will do some basic configurations so you can start configuring your domain and using a server.